Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview itkidboy RGB color changing LED pool lights with remote control 120 volt 45 watt. itkidboy color LEDs light bulb produces light for your pool with 468 high brightness LED. It has 7 fixed colors, 9 light shows. Equivalent to 300-400 watt pool bulb, it also saves your electricity bill. Specifically designed for Pentair Amerlite and Hayward Astrolite series pool light fixture. Simple plug and play replacement. Simply screw this LED pool light with medium base E26. Features: super bright and energy saving, remote and switch control, easy to install with medium base E26, 120 volt 45 watt. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.